Space, a vast expanse of cosmic wonder, is not always as serene and beautiful as it appears from our earthly perspective. At times, it can be downright terrifying. Picture planets and their satellites where extreme weather conditions, such as searing heat or bone-chilling cold, are the norm. Imagine worlds where the radiation levels would be lethal within moments, or where the environment is so inhospitable, it makes our most extreme earthly habitats seem like child's play. These planets and their satellites exist, lurking in the farthest corners of our universe, a testament to the harsh and unforgiving nature of space. They serve as a sobering reminder that while space exploration is a noble endeavor, it is not without its perils. The cosmos is a realm of untold mysteries, filled with beauty and terror in equal measure. So, if you're ready, let's descend into the terrifying depths of our universe. At number 5, we have Jupiter and its volcanic moon, Io. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant of epic proportions. Its violent storms, like the Great Red Spot, rage on for centuries, swirling with winds that reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. These tempests are larger than the entire Earth and reveal the raw, chaotic power that Jupiter possesses. But it's not just the storms that make Jupiter a force to be reckoned with. The planet's immense gravity, over 24 times that of Earth, is a testament to its mammoth size and mass. This gravitational force is so powerful, it influences everything in its vicinity, including its many moons. Speaking of moons, let's turn our attention to Io, one of Jupiter's largest. Unlike our moon, which is a tranquil, cratered landscape, Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. This is not a moon where you'd want to plan your next space vacation. Io's extreme volcanic activity is a direct result of the tidal forces from Jupiter's gravity. These forces cause immense internal friction within Io, heating it up and resulting in over 400 active volcanoes. Some of these volcanoes are so powerful that they spew plumes of sulfur and sulfur dioxide up to 300 miles into space. This fiery moon is an example of the violent dynamism that exists within our universe. It's a place where rivers of molten rock flow, and plumes of volcanic gas light up the moon's thin atmosphere with a spectral glow. Yet despite the turbulence and danger inherent in these two celestial bodies, there is a certain beauty to their raw power. They serve as a reminder of the awe-inspiring yet terrifying forces that sculpt our universe. These two bodies remind us that beauty in the universe can often be deadly. Coming in at number 4, we have Saturn and its diamond rain. Now let's delve into a world that's more than just rings and gas. Saturn, a planet where it rains diamonds. Yes, you heard correctly, diamonds. And no, we're not talking about a few sprinkles here and there, but a veritable deluge of these precious gems cascading down through the atmosphere. But how does this happen? Well, it all starts with methane, a simple compound found in abundant supply in Saturn's atmosphere. As storms rage in the upper layers of the atmosphere, this methane gets struck by lightning. This intense energy breaks apart the methane molecules, leaving behind pure carbon atoms. As these carbon atoms descend further into the planet's atmosphere, they experience increasing pressure. And under this extreme pressure, carbon transforms into graphite, the same substance you'll find in your everyday pencil. But the journey doesn't end there. As these graphite particles continue to plunge deeper, the pressure intensifies even more, and that's when the magic happens. The graphite is compressed and heated until it turns into, you guessed it, diamonds. Imagine a spectacle of diamonds, each potentially up to a centimeter in diameter, glittering as they fall through the dense Saturnian atmosphere. It's a sight that would be breathtakingly beautiful, if not for the fact that it's also incredibly dangerous. Why dangerous, you ask? Well, these diamonds aren't gently floating down like snowflakes on a calm winter's day. No, they're hurtling through the atmosphere at incredible speeds, whipped around by violent winds and storms. And given their hardness and sharpness, they could cause some serious damage. So, while a storm of diamonds might sound like a fairy tale, the reality is far from it. On Saturn, this beautiful phenomenon is a manifestation of the planet's extreme and hostile environment. It's a stark reminder that even the most dazzling wonders of the universe can also be the most perilous. A storm of diamonds might sound like a dream, but on Saturn, it's a deadly reality. So next time you marvel at the beauty of a diamond, remember, somewhere out there, they're raining down like hail in a storm. At number 3, we meet Venus, the greenhouse hell. Often mistaken for a star due to its bright appearance, Venus is anything but. This celestial body, second in line from the sun, is a world of extremes. It's not just the oppressive heat and crushing pressures that make it stand out, but the fact that Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, despite not being the closest to the sun, that truly sets it apart. Venus is a poster child for the runaway greenhouse effect, a phenomenon where the atmosphere traps heat, causing temperatures to rise dramatically. The planet's thick atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, acts like a thermal blanket, trapping the sun's heat and preventing it from escaping back into space. This results in surface temperatures that can reach an astonishing 867 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of Mercury, which sits closer to the sun. Not only is Venus unbearably hot, but it also boasts pressures that are about 92 times that of Earth. Imagine being at the bottom of the ocean, but instead of water, you're surrounded by superheated, corrosive air. That's Venus for you. These brutal conditions are largely due to Venus's inability to regulate its greenhouse gases. On Earth, we have natural processes that help balance our carbon dioxide levels. Plants absorb CO2 during photosynthesis, and the planet's weathering process breaks down rocks, which absorb CO2 over time. But Venus lacks these checks and balances. Its surface is relatively young, meaning fewer weathered rocks, and any hope of plant life is unlikely given the extreme conditions. So while Venus may lure us in with its bright, star-like appearance, don't be fooled. This planet is a brutal, inhospitable world where every day is a scorching day and the pressure can crush you like a soda can. Venus, a reminder that too much of a good thing can be deadly. At number 2, we venture into the dark side of the universe, the black holes. Imagine a cosmic object so dense, so incredibly massive that nothing can escape its gravitational pull. Not a spaceship, not a wayward comet, not even light itself. This is the reality of a black hole, a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, no matter how fast or powerful, can escape. Black holes are not just massive, they are immensely, mind-bendingly massive. Picture the mass of our sun squeezed into a space less than 20 miles across. That's a black hole. But their size isn't what makes them terrifying. It's their power, their ability to distort the very fabric of the universe. Let's delve a little deeper into this. You see, black holes have such an intense gravitational pull that they can bend time and space around them. This is known as gravitational lensing, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity and confirmed by countless observations. When a black hole passes between us and a distant star, the light from that star can be bent and magnified, creating a sort of cosmic mirage. But there's more. The immense gravity of a black hole can also slow down time. That's right, time itself can be stretched and distorted by these cosmic monsters. This effect, known as time dilation, means that time near a black hole would pass slower than time further away. So if you were to watch a clock falling into a black hole, you would see its hands slow down and eventually stop. This is the dark side of the universe, a place where the ordinary rules of physics are warped and twisted, where time and space are not what they seem. It's a place of mystery and terror, a place where the universe shows its most extreme and unforgiving face. Black holes, the ultimate cosmic monsters. And finally, at number 1, we have the most terrifying of them all, the neutron stars. Born from the explosive death throes of massive stars, neutron stars are the universe's ultimate endgame. These celestial bodies are the densest objects we know of, save for black holes. Imagine, if you will, cramming twice the mass of our sun into a sphere just about 12 miles across. That's the kind of density we're talking about. The gravity is so intense, it warps the very fabric of space and time around it. But the terror doesn't stop there. Picture this. A teaspoon of neutron star matter here on Earth would weigh approximately 1 billion tons. That's about as heavy as a mountain. These stars are the ultimate testament to the unfathomable power and terror of the cosmos. Neutron stars, the epitome of terror in the cosmos.